Hey guys, today we're gonna be building a cobblestone generator. So now we're gonna build like a 4x1 hole and then two holes in the middle. And then we need a water bucket. Let me find that quickly. We also need a lava bucket, water bucket and a lava bucket. Yeah. So, and then we're gonna put the water on one side and we're gonna put the lava bucket on the other side, and then you can take a pickaxe and you get infinity cobblestone, except when your pickaxe breaks. So you see, and you can go into survival. So like you can actually get the cobblestone. So I'm just gonna go into survival for a sec. Some of it you will lose into the lava, but yeah, a lot of it you will get. That was fun. Subscribe. Oh yeah. Let's go. Okay, maybe not.